The state of the media and entertainment industry today is one of constant evolution. You've seen workflows change, you've seen pipelines change, you've seen the way content's being consumed differently. And I think what you're going to see is companies trying to figure out, how do I not get stuck in a process of lagging behind? Because trying to catch up is incredibly difficult.
Media companies are having to pick their partnerships and make their bets, and they're having to do it in a rather accelerated way with all kinds of new technologies. So there's a lot of risk and a lot of pressure, but there's also a lot of upside. The quicker they can deploy these solutions, the more options that they give both their talent and their consumers, the more successful they're going to be.
I think the scale and reach of Microsoft is known. We have this immense foothold in business transformation. And I think it's an amazing thing to think about how that could empower the creative process and the audience experience.
What you're seeing across media and entertainment at Microsoft is that depth and breadth of all the different things that we have to support all those different elements of the industry.
It's about the tools that sit on top of our platforms that empower the creative process in a way that reduces churn, reduces friction between all of the people that have to work in the content creation process.
It's the ability to bring all of our office features, our modern workplace experience, our dynamics back office environments that are customized to unique industries around the globe. Bringing all of these forces together helps an entity quickly look at a business problem from left to right and solve it with a single approach.
We've got Azure, we've got Dynamics, we've got Microsoft 365, we've got Xbox, all these different pieces that come together. They are fundamentally changing the way that customers and partners experience media and entertainment today.
We also have industry digital strategists that we deploy on site with our customers to help them build these project plans and move their existing systems from an on-prem solution slowly to a hybrid solution, eventually to a fully enabled cloud solution, to allow them to make this transition as efficiently and as successfully as possible.
We're not trying to build every tool ourselves. We're really trying to take the tools that the industry already knows and loves, bring it to the ecosystem, and tie them together in a way that makes cloud transformation possible.
You're seeing on the Microsoft side an amazing list of partners across all of those different areas between content creation, collaboration, distribution, and data and analytics. And we can do it all in a very seamless and easy way to consume that is scalable and powerful for the customers we work with.
Our ability to be a trusted partner really differentiates ourselves from the other large cloud providers. We're not competing with anybody creating content. The data is your data, it's not our data. We're not competing with advertising space.
We want to make sure you're empowered as a customer and partner to do more with your own data, right? And we'll give you more to do so. We've got the tools to make that a reality for you.
It's really understanding how to take the silos of information in each of the parts of the process, from creation through finishing, all the way through distribution, the audience engagement, and back again, and understanding how to optimize that data in a way that informs the process.
All of these things are going to create massive opportunities going forward with gaming and live sports and media and content all coming together into a unified experience. Being able to put those business models together in a digitally transformed way, that's a huge opportunity looking forward, and we're the right platform to help you do that.